Here's a quick recap of what we did today in world history. Um, so, introduction syllabus. I went through some of the syllabus. I'm not gonna belabor that all here. The biggest thing is please add Remind. In fact, if you were getting this on Remind, then you've already added it. The Remind instructions. You can add it on the app LF8WHA 2020 or LFWHA 2020 on the text. Please add that. Syllabus, just a couple logistical changes. The 50% is Odyssey Writing class assignments, 50% assessments. The assessments may look radically different. We need to keep our cameras on when we're on the meet. And remember that also Google Private Message is a good way because I have it on my phone as well as Remind Text. The syllabus is a basis for change. It could be changed based on the situation, um, and based on the situation that as developments warrant. Classroom rules are still applying online. It's not going to be any different. So that's part of and tardies will still apply. I know the first day it's a little bit difficult to to get into that flow, but and you still have connectivity issues. As we get those worked out, that will be more enforced as we go on. So you might take a read on this. I will continue to go through it as we get to different pieces, but you need to go through for tomorrow night and look at a syllabus acknowledgement survey form. It's also asking you some questions, some basic questions about what you're considering as far as remote learning, and when we get to seating, what's going to happen when we get to seating in class. We have to be distant, and any concerns that I should have there, legitimate concerns, anything I should know within reason for you to be successful, and so on. That's due tomorrow night, and then please add Remind. And then the other thing is that agendas are always here, tucked away. And the first one I already talked about, the introduction to the syllabus. It's on the card, so this is introducing yourself. And when you introduce yourself, you're going to put it on the card, answering these 4 questions. If you don't have an idea, I'm going to get rid of myself now. If you don't have an idea of what to do, for what you know, a fact you know about world history, not U.S. history, you think about what you did in Miss Arrowwood's class all those years ago, and then think about something you might have remembered from there. A longer short-term goal, your favorite place to visit, something interesting about yourself, and then you're going to not only turn in the card, but you're also going to put it on a Flipgrid, and you can log into Flipgrid using the link there, and record a response to the Flipgrid as we go along here. So that's what you're going to do as far as logging the Flipgrid. And some of you have already done the Flipgrid, as you can see here. So that's and then be sure to share it on Classroom as well with the login to Flipgrid. It looks like I had 2 hours, which kind of worries me as far as the responses I see, because I made one topic, so that's not going to be so good. Okay, I'll get through it. So that's my fault. Sorry, I was looking at something there to copy the topic. So log your responses in Flipgrid, and then the intro card as we go along here, typing out information a little bit to know about yourself, and then be prepared to share on Flipgrid using the link below or in class on Google Meet. So that's also due tomorrow at the beginning of class. So like first hour, I need to edit that so that it's due tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Some of you may be asked to share that in class. So again, if you've got this recap of class, you're good. This is mostly done for the absent people. In the future, I hope to be able to record Google Meet, but I don't know if I'm going to be allowed to or not. Well, tomorrow we'll start getting into Odysseyware and some of the actual content meat as we go along. So be ready for tomorrow at your assigned time, or if you forget the schedule, I posted the schedule here for you.